And there's something called extract. Extract is similar to the split column. We have done so many things, right? In the previous situation, right? We have gone through a lot of split column and how do you want to split the data extra. Similarly, we have something called extract. If you wanted to extract something out of the data, let's say I wanted to extract the length of the full name. For whatever reason, I wanted to click on length, that will give you the length of each name. Okay. So, however, if you wanted to do it, you wanted to duplicate it, right? So before you do this, so let's say for whatever requirement you wanted to get the length of that particular name. Before you do that, you click on duplicate, right? Duplicate the column. Once the column is duplicated, you can go ahead and do the extract or whatever transformation. Click on length, that you give you the length. So if somehow you wanted to know which is the largest or the big name, 20 also you have. Can see starts from 6 and goes to 1. So that is one thing. And there's something called extract first character. So here you can see you wanted to extract something, right? Extract first characters. You wanted to extract only the first maybe 5 characters. You'll get all the 5 first characters. Maybe you wanted to extract last characters, right? In the same situation, you go back. The same situation, you wanted to extract the last character, last 5 characters. Use the last 5. So let's click on extract range. So I wanted to get some, numbers in from in between. Maybe I'll take the ideal phone number. Maybe here we have got some codes, which is not an ideal format though. So I'm just looking for a 10 numbered phone number. So I wanted to start it from 5th, right? After hyphen, let's consider these numbers. Okay. So after hyphen, I wanted to get the next 3 numbers, number of characters 3, right? Starting index is 5 because I wanted to start it from here. And next click on. So you should be getting ideally 5, 5, 5. That means you're getting 5, 5 hyphen means it is starting from after that one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should change this to 4, not 5. But rather this is 4 because I wanted to start from hyphen. So after hyphen it is starting and getting me the range. So I've just restricted it to 3 characters. Start from 4th and restricted to 3. So you're basically getting all this middle one, middle number, all these three characters that you see here, 3 numbers. So this is the range. If you wanted to get something between range, it is used. And can use text before delimiter. And this comes handy, right? You have seen this email address, text before delimiter. So you wanted to get an username. This is very easy to get. Text before delimiter. So delimiters are nothing but all these @ characters, right? You can see them. That can be anything, not only @ there is a space, consistent space there, or consistent common thing there. Okay. I'm just mentioning @ I'm saying before the delimiter, whatever you have, I can get. So simply I'll get a username because @ before whatever we have is a username. This can be renamed to username. This is all text before delimiter. Text after delimiters, that will give the other side, not the left side, but the right. So if you want the domain name, you can get that domain name instead of username. That step again. Text between the delimiter. This is good. Sometimes you wanted to get something between the delimiters. Let's say, what is your starting delimiter? What is your ending delimiter? So I can say, let's say, I wanted to get my adventure as my, so I can say @ is my starting delimiter and hyphen is my ending delimiter. Okay, so what do you get here? Adventure. So if I don't want that, let's say I'm looking for adventure work. So I can, now if you wanted to get only the adventure work, you can change this to dot, right? So automatically that will be acted as a second delimiter, and between the delimiter @ and dot, you get adventure hyphen work.